Print a house, not a toy. A full-size livable home with walls, plumbing, electricity, and insulation. Sounds impossible? It's already happening. Welcome to the world of 3D printed housing. Right now in Georgetown, Texas, the largest 3D printed neighborhood in the world is under construction. Icon, a Texas-based construction technology company, is building 100 homes using their proprietary Vulcan printer. And it's not science fiction. It's concrete, steel, and code. Here's how it works. A large robotic arm extrudes a custom concrete mix, layer by layer, based on a digital 3D model. No bricks, no manual bricklaying. The printer builds the entire structure with extreme precision. A typical single-story house? Icon can print the wall system in 8 days or less. No scaffolding, no framing crews, just a machine doing the job tirelessly. And Icon isn't alone. In China, a company called Winsun famously printed 10 houses in 24 hours using recycled materials. In the Netherlands, Project Milestone created Europe's first legally permitted 3D printed rental home in Eindhoven. In Mexico, a non-profit called New Story Housing partnered with Icon to build a community of printed homes for families living below the poverty line. Each home took about 24 hours to print. So why is 3D printing such a game changer? First, speed. Traditional construction takes weeks or months. 3D printing can do the structural work in days. Second, cost. Printing reduces labor needs and material waste. Some projects report up to 30% savings. Third, customization. 3D printers can easily create curved walls, unique shapes, and energy-efficient designs that would be expensive or impractical with standard construction. Fourth, sustainability. Less waste, smaller carbon footprint, and the potential to use recycled or local materials. Sounds perfect. So why aren't we all living in printed homes yet? Here's the catch. Most printers only build the wall structure. Roofs, wiring, plumbing, insulation, that's still installed the traditional way. Also, regulations haven't caught up. Many cities and states don't yet have clear codes or building standards for printed homes. Permits take longer. Inspections are slower. Innovation is faster than bureaucracy, but the momentum is growing. The global 3D printed construction market is expected to reach $1.5 billion by 2031. Dubai has already committed to having 25% of new buildings 3D printed by 2030. And in the US, Icon alone has raised over $450 million in funding. Their most ambitious partner? NASA. Yes, NASA. They're working with Icon to test 3D printing on the Moon and Mars. The goal is to build habitats for astronauts using lunar or Martian soil as raw material. No humans required. No Earth materials shipped. It's called Project Olympus, and it's real. Meanwhile, back on Earth, Icon has also built homes for the chronically homeless in Austin, Texas. They're using the same technology to create permanent housing with dignity at a fraction of the traditional cost. This isn't just innovation for innovation's sake. It's technology solving real problems. Housing shortages, disasters, affordability, speed. So what comes next? Experts say 3D printed homes could become mainstream in the US within the next 10 to 15 years, especially for small homes, ADUs, emergency shelters, or rural housing. As the technology gets cheaper, faster, and easier to permit, more and more people will choose to print instead of build. One day soon, you might walk past a construction site, and there will be no hammering, no shouting, just the hum of a printer layering your future home, one pass at a time. This isn't the future. It's right now, and it's just getting started. Subscribe our channel for more videos.